How are you all doing today? It's almost the end of our weekly challenge. We have less than 48 hours to complete it and earn as much as we can. For our quick tutorial or and qualification video for today, it'll be a hit app called Query Has Address. This one should be easy. We do have a guideline for this one, but you all could go through this. But I want to show you the thought process on how I work on it, but it's just really easy. We just have to understand if the query has an address on it. So the question will be, um, is there an address in the query? Must include street level elements. So this is done to Ko Yengen, Matsuda City, Chiba Prefecture. For this one, yes, this is the training mode, by the way. We got this one right. Incorrect, please do a screenshot of those error messages. Again, it is the training, and then we'll move on to qualification. Um, Next one is this. I don't know how to pronounce it, but in English it is toys in the playground. Definitely a no. Moving on to the next is Clontarf Community College, Swords Road, Whitehall. That is a yes. This is going to be a street address. Is the address in Ireland? Except this one. Let's see the location of this. Hold on a sec. We need to verify if this okay, I okay, I'm still on the website. Uh about us. Nope. Let's go ahead and check where is Dark Community College. Let me scroll down here. Dublin, Ireland. Yes, it is. So we go back to the hit. We choose yes. We got it right. Moving on to the next is 6 North Hensley Lane, Oxford. Oxford. Definitely it is a street address. Is the address in United Kingdom? It is in the United Kingdom. So it's a yes. Next one is for a 48 UA rack. Definitely no. Immob immobile immobilism. Okay, it's a foreign language. Property and no, I don't know how to pronounce it. Hold on. In country. Okay, get a screenshot of this one, please. Moving on to the next training hit is it's definitely a yes and then a yes as well. Moving on is this. It's definitely a no, not an address. Jalan Broga. Broga Road, yes. Malaysia, of course, it is going to be in Malaysia. You can verify it by clicking on Wikipedia or search for it using Google Chrome. Um, Kuala Lumpur, that's in Malaysia. Those are stuffs you need to consider. Moving on is Invase 280B, Container 280B, definitely a no. Uh, Additional earnings limit, no. Let me go back to the hit and see how many trainings we need to complete before we can take. Okay, 6 more hits before qualification. Definitely a no here. Again, the name of the hit is Query Has Address. I found this in ONEFORMA. I don't see it in ClickWorker. For this one, it's a no. To work shit, definitely no. Songs by Dr. Swag, no. Now, this is the query in different languages, and this is the English translation. So, what it says in, okay, definitely no. Remote guidance and guidance plan, no. Let me see and refresh this stuff here. Uh, okay, no, not that one. No, we can qualify. Let's go ahead and move on to query has address qualification round. This is going to be an address, yes. Yes, it is in Ireland, as you can see. 10 hits to qualify. Sailboat making way. No. 1830 farm chores. Definitely no. This is easy. Um, it's just that the problem is there's not a lot of hits app for this one, and it pays too low. But maybe we can keep an eye on this particular hit app. They might release a version that would have a lot of hits. Centro Vax, okay, vaccination center via Majarona, definitely no. 288 Gully Baker Road, Ballymena to Antrim. Yes, this is in the United Kingdom. Definitely it is. Let me go back and click OK here. Talga, no. Three more hits before we pass. It's definitely no. BGE, definitely no. CR, okay, that's definitely a no. Now we passed this qualification round for query has address. Uh, and this is quite confusing. For Villa Algarve Villa. I would say no here. Yep, we passed the qualification. It's an easy hit. It is called what was that? Query has address. Again, my name is Ghost, and our Facebook group is Ghostly Headers. You can find us on Facebook. For you to join, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel, answer the relevant questions before we can approve your request to join in. Again, Ghost here. You have a good day, and good luck again to the weekly challenge. It'll end in, I guess, 48 to 72 hours. Have a good day and see you on the next video. Please do like the video, subscribe for more video tutorials. If you have anything in mind, please leave it on the comments fields below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.